Hi, fellow content creators. Have you ever struggled to come up with the perfect prompt for Chat GPT? Well, get ready, because I'm about to introduce you to a tool that handles all the hard work for you. This tool may seem like just another AI gimmick, but it's actually a game changer. It takes your simple one-sentence prompt and transforms it into a comprehensive, high-quality prompt that you can use across multiple AI platforms. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more fantastic content on prompt engineering and content creation. Plus, stay tuned for a special bonus tip and a gift at the end of the video. Prompt engineering is a critical skill in the world of AI. It's all about crafting precise prompts that yield the best possible responses from AI tools like Chat GPT and Google Gemini. Think of it as a secret sauce that turns a bland AI interaction into a gourmet conversation. And today, I'm going to show you how to master this art effortlessly. So, how do you get started with this magical tool? It's pretty straightforward. First, head over to console.anthropic.com. Sign in or create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Generate a Prompt section. You might need to set up an API key and add billing details if you don't have any free credits left. Don't worry, it's just a few cents per prompt. Now, let's break down how this amazing tool works. Input a simple sentence. Start by typing a basic prompt into the tool. This could be something as straightforward as, write an email responding to a customer complaint. The tool advances algorithms to analyze the input. It understands the context and intent behind your simple sentence, much like a seasoned prompt engineer would. This tool then expands your basic input into a detailed, structured prompt. It adds context, specifies details, and structures output in a clear, comprehensive format. Finally, you can edit the generated prompt. The tool highlights sections in red where you might need to add specific information, making it easy to customize the prompt to your exact needs. To keep things running smoothly, you'll need an API key. Go to the API key section in the dashboard. Click on Create a Key and name it. Copy the key and keep it secure. If you didn't get any free credits, add your billing details to continue generating prompts. One of the best features is the Start Editing option. This lets you tweak the generated prompt to suit your specific needs. Fill in the required information in the highlighted sections and refine the prompt until it's perfect. This ensures that your prompts are always on point and tailored to your specific requirements. But wait, there's more. This tool offers an extensive prompt library categorized into business, personal, and more. You can select and customize prompts based on your needs. It's a treasure trove of ready-made, high-quality prompts that you can use instantly. Finally, you can use these refined prompts across various AI platforms like Chat GPT and Google Gemini. Just copy the prompt, paste it into the AI tool of your choice, and you're good to go. Save frequently used prompts in your personal library for future use, and you'll never have to generate new ones from scratch. If you found these tips valuable, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Your support really helps me create more content designed for content creation and marketing. And I have a bonus tip for you coming up next. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now for the bonus tip I promised. Check out my ebook, The Practical Prompt Engineer, available on Amazon. It's packed with over 200 customizable prompts specifically for content creation and marketing. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media, crafting marketing campaigns, doing YouTube videos, this ebook will be your go-to resource for generating effective and engaging prompts. As a special gift for staying until the end, I have an ultimate keyword generation prompt for ChatGPT. This will supercharge your YouTube SEO content. This tool generates top YouTube keywords to help you boost your SEO and reach a wider audience on YouTube. You can find the link to this bonus gift in the description below. And there you have it. With this tool, prompt engineering is no longer a daunting task. You can effortlessly create detailed prompts, then customize them, and use them across different AI platforms. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your free gift, the ultimate keyword generation prompt for ChatGPT, and also my ebook, The Practical Prompt Engineer, for even more customizable prompts. Let me know in the comments if there are any other things you'd like to know or if I missed anything. If you enjoyed this video, again, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.